have a story for you that is utterly adorable.
I love that. I love that pun. Richmond's newest animal celebrity is an otter named Nola. The crawfish-loving otter from Louisiana was rescued and brought to Maymont's Robbins Garden Center.
Now, one thing that makes Nola special is that, like many of us on TV, she probably got talks too much on her report card.
Oh, yeah.
Because Nola's talking has actually made her a star.
And you know what? I actually wonder if she has the accent, but apparently Nola chirps, chitters, and makes noises all day, or should I say all day? No, I'm joking, which is usually uncommon actually for her species. But now we get to hear and see more of her here in RVA.
Yes, in partnership with a company called Bastionpoint, Maymont installed a professional-grade HD network camera like you'd see in like those high-level security offices, so we can actually watch Nola on the Otter Cam.
Wow, that's so cool.
Now, she's just chilling right now. I was trying
know.
to spot her. I feel like it's like that hidden pictures game where you're trying to like find her.
Yeah, I was trying to, is she in the log?
She's in the log. Yes.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
My eyes do work.
Yes. See, this is what we're going to be doing at work today. Instead of paying attention to what we should be, we're going to be watching Nola.
Trying to find our
Otter Cam.
crawfish-loving friend.
That's right.